So yeah, I'm sitting here in my Volvo and it just died on me. I'm trying to sell it. I'm put it up on like an ad on the internet, and there was a guy checking it out and he started it and everything was fine. While I was waiting for the second guy, I took it for a spin and it ran okay, normally, as it normally does, and then it went worse and worse and worse, and then it just stopped. So here I'm sitting just in a like a parking place. I managed to get the car off the road and it rolled here. So that's where I'm at. Not the greatest spot, but yeah, and it's very unfortunate because I don't have any tools. I don't have any towing rope. I got nothing. I mean, the starter motor works, but it doesn't start. It turns over, but it doesn't start. So, and I can hear the fuel pump, so it's just one of those lovely times owning an old car. Again, it leaves me stranded somewhere. This is the second time. First time was really bad, like on the highway, but at least now I'm just in these small roads and like parking lots. And yeah, this is a few days later when this Volvo died, so I got it here to like this parking space. So next attempt, see if I can get spark. So I've taken this spark plug and I took it up here so I can see the spark from inside the car. And we're out of battery. That's just exactly what I need. So yeah, I got another car here. So I'm gonna charge the battery because I don't have any more jumper cables. I have to charge the battery, and then when it's like charged, I can then connect it back to the spark plug. Connect it back to the spark plug and make a test run. Here is the spark plug connected with the ground. Okay, good news, we have spark. I guess it could be as easy as it's just the fuel. Because the fuel gauge is not working. When I replaced the fuel pump, the fuel gauge stopped working, so I guess I replaced to a broken fuel gauge. Got some fuel in and we're gonna see if it starts, if it has enough battery to start. Maybe not. There we go. So it was just fuel. Easy fix. So I just noticed an interesting thing here with this car. Look at this hose clamp. It has come off. So pressure is leaking out through this gap. So I'm gonna put it back on. So it wasn't tight enough. But here I didn't have one that was big enough, so I used two and put them together. Then I have one that's really huge, way too big for this, but it fits, and it's really tight there. There's like no chance it's going anywhere. It's really tight. That shouldn't be an issue anymore. So yeah, the car is done, ready to be sold again. So it's working fine now, and I'm out running, just testing it to make sure that it's no problem with the, see if the old problem is still there, that it's like losing power on like accelerations and so on. So it seems to be fixed actually. Seems to be no issue at all. I think that the leak that I found in the turbo, like the pipe going into the engine where the turbo pressure is, that was the issue. Like see here, it just goes. I even got some wheel spin there. Let's try third gear. From low RPM, pedal in the floor, and it just goes. No hiccups. Yeah, this car is running great. It has never ran this good. Maybe just when I got it, but it didn't have a clutch then, so now it's like perfect. Wow, that's some wheel speed.